Let's look at an example of how to process a product from a package in the Tatmeen system. Let's look at an example of loading a package hierarchy from an Excel file obtained from the Tatmeen portal. In this situation, we are considering obtaining 2 units of the product from the package. Next, in the context menu, go to the Add Tatmeen item. In this interface, we see the introduced product, where we need to specify the package code of this cell. Click on the cell. Enter or scan the package code. Click Enter. Next, in the lower part of the interface, upload an area to select the option of loading the hierarchy manually or through an Excel file. Select the upload through an Excel file. An Excel file has been uploaded, reflecting the package hierarchy. We see the products specified in it. Next, click the Verification button. After verification, we will see the additional data obtained from the Tatmeen: the name, status, and where the product is currently located. It is located in the sender with the status In Transit, which means that the product is still on the way. After successful verification, select the products. Next, click the Add button. In the future, the selected products will be unpacked, extracted from the package. Next, click the Receive button. We have successfully received the package. The next step is to extract the specified products from the package. It should be noted that the specified product has been verified and received. For further work, you can also carry out unpacking. Extract products from the package. To do this, click the Unpack button. Unpack. As a result of unpacking, we can see the corresponding columns. In the upper part of the interface, we can see the total status of the completed action. All processes were successful: verification, receiving, unpacking. The process in the Tatmeen system is successfully completed.